Come on, doggies. Can you move, Jimmy? Come on. Come on, let's go. Ooh, too much fun at the beach. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Here comes the sun and the heat and humidity. As you can see, the lens fogging up. This is a very, very small KOA. Not super busy this time of year. I bet you during the busy season it's like everything else out here. Busy season in Florida is winter. See if I can find the Camp K9. Here we go. Camp K9. Found something to fetch. Look at the rain with Zack fishing in the rain. That's pretty cool. He can keep doing. No harm in that. We're not really going anywhere anyway with the rain.
Yeah, we rinsed her off, so she's probably.
She looks dirty
He's
again.
like, yeah, we're ready? Set. No, I think those feathers. He's like, what's that, creepy? She's like, what's that? What do you want? Hey, hey. Ooh, those are some scaly stuff. We can feed her.
So you surviving back here, chicken?
She's like, yep,
You don't like
yep.
it? Yeah, she's cleaning herself off pretty good.
Why'd you dump it all out?
She literally eats stuff.
He likes eating hands.
She literally eats the bugs. You catch a bug, you feed it to her.
Nom nom nom.
She eats the fleas on her if she has any. I don't know if chicken